My name is Chaksram Jimoman. Good afternoon to all of you, dear friends, that we have come for this Don Bosco Expo in the Centenary year, where we have been preparing for last 3 years, where I was one of the main core team member which initiated the plans for the whole celebration culminating in Shillong. And we have come to this ground here to experience the Youth Expo with over 2,000 students, young people, boys and girls coming from various northeastern states. I'm sure they have had good experience of interacting one another, meeting with our rector major of the congregation, and enlightened themselves and have taken home something that is useful for their life and that makes their life alive and active in the future for the rest of the world to follow. May God bless you all.
I am Larissa Marbinyang from the Shillong Archdiocese, and it's such a nice place for all of us to gather here, especially the weather also too good and the food also is just wow.
Wow. And I can see that you're enjoying.
Yes, I'm enjoying. It's very, very good. And we are grateful for the Solutions Cooperators for giving us such a good meal. Thank you.
Nasa may province ya may parish niyo siya kuati province niyo nang aso na yan do nga sa mas tinga may kita pa niya kumat na siya namin singa aro pakas kita pa rin ang kumat na.
My name is Chaksram Jimoman. I belong to Guwahati province under Damra Parish.
How is the experience?
My experience so far, everything is going well and it's been great. And like interacting with other youths from all over the Northeast region has been a really great for me, and I've been learning a lot from here, from this youth program.